welcome to the dance tutorial part 2, dance monkey song. Okay, so last class हम लोगों ने we have finished here 1 2 3 4. So this is the last step. Okay, let's do revision all the steps from the beginning. After that we will go to the next new steps. Yeah, come on. So first position, you can make one pose. Okay, any kind of pose. Okay, so my pose is like this. Let's start. 5 6 7 go. Right, left, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, so here it is your last step. Let's move on the next step. So next step you have to step forward from your right leg, join, left leg, join. Very simple. Again, so we are here. 1 join, 2 join. Now with this footwork you have to add hand steps. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, let's do 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. Easy. Next step, open your right leg, do your hands like this. So both hands you have to roll inside and join. Yeah, so we are here. 5 6 7 go. 1 and join. Next step, right hand here, go out from your left leg and in. फिर से दिखाओ. 1 out and in. Again. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Easy. One more last time. Come on. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So last step is little bit fast. 7 8. Okay, let's move on the next step. So after this we have to step towards the right side. You have to go back. Okay, so you have to go on squatting and lift, squatting and lift. You have to go on half sitting. Yeah, and leave your hands like this and in. Open, close, open, close, open, close. So go 1 up, 2 up. One more time. 5 6 7 go. 1 up, 2 up. Next, step back and join. Step back and join. Okay. When you're doing this step back, you have to roll your hands inside. So step back and join. Step back and join. Only 2 times. One time right side, one time left side. Let's try from the second part, new step. We are here. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 up, 2 up, back, join, back, join. Yeah, clear? Next step, step out, in, in. Now while I am going towards the right and left, I am stepping out from my right leg and left leg. I am keeping my leg on heel, not on feet, not on the toe. So you have to keep your leg on your heel. And hand steps, swing in, swing out, swing in, swing out, swing in, swing out, swing in. Yeah, swing out, in, swing out, in, swing out, in, swing out, in. So how many times? 4 times. Yeah, let's try from here. Okay, wait. Let's try from after this. Okay, so यहाँ से करेंगे हम 1 1 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. One more time. The last step I'm going to say 1 and in. See, when I come in, I'm going to down, little bit bend on my knee. So I'm going down. Okay, now that I'm not standing. Out on your heel, swing your hands like this and go down. Swing your hand and go down. Yeah? Let's try last time. From the second part, उसके बाद हम वापस start to end करेंगे. Yeah? Come on. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, this is the second part. In class, we have learned only this much. Okay, so what I am doing, after this I am going adding the 3 new steps that you have to practice at home. Okay, plus first and second part both. Okay, so जो new step मैंने अभी extra add किए हैं, that is also part of this tutorial, so that you can practice and upload full video. Okay, let's try now last time from the beginning. Okay, come on, position, give some attitude pose like 1, like 2, like 3, like 4. So when the music is going to start, you have to stand like this, any pose. You can give your pose. Girls can stand like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Any kind of attitude pose. You have to pause for a second. Once the word art start, you start dancing. Yeah? So ready? Music is on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, first and second part choreography finish. Now, it's your turn to practice at your home. Make a video, upload on the Google Classroom, and let's meet on the next part in class. Yeah, so next class if you come, I'm going to teach you more new steps, but before that you have to practice this much. Yeah, so let's try now on music. Come on.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.